Alright guys, it's been way too long since I made any videos, so we're gonna go do a couple pulls in the truck. Everything's going good with the truck, still got the wheels and everything. Haven't really done a lot to it. I had some issues with the flex plate. I had to tighten that. You can see where I've been roasting my tires. Fucking tires are bald as hell. Truck still looks fantastic. The paint needs some work, but other than that, you know, it's in pretty good shape. All right, so let's go do some pulls. One problem is my lights have been coming on for some reason, but